treasurer of Luki Kottayam chapter, to introduce today's speaker, Mr. Dr. T.P. Shashikumar. Basically, he is a scientist, but I don't know whether in which department he has to be mentioned, because from scientist to colorified, he is a master. Yoga, colorified, then Vedas, in each and every subject. He did his MPhil in mathematics, PhD in fluid mechanics, and so many degrees, MBA, LLB, MS, then in Vedas he also studied, so I am not going to details. Moreover, in which language he has to speak, that he can select, because almost all the languages, all the Indian languages is familiar to him. All the South Indian languages, Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, English. So he is an excellent personality with higher knowledge. And I have been in touch with him for the last 20 years. So I am lucky to have such a great friendship. He was able to work with the main dignitaries of India, worked with Abdul Kalam. He was in the Prime Minister's security team, Manmohan Singh's team. A humble, simple person. Anytime you can approach him. Over 3 lakhs students got an opportunity to interact with him. Almost all the Indian university and foreign universities selected him as a guide, mentor, motivation speaker and other things. So I am not going to details. Now I request our treasurer, Sri Haridas, to introduce him.
Good evening, friends. I am so privileged to introduce Dr. T.P. Shashikumar to all of you. As you know, we are passing through the days of disaster, hardship, and uncertainties. There is no doubt, uncertainty is the order of the day. Life itself is rocking between the two ends of uncertainty. It is very disastrous. Incidentally, our topic itself is how to turn disaster challenges into opportunities. The challenges we are facing today are very drastic than we imagine. Actually, it is the crisis that makes us alive. If anyone of us feel dejected or exhausted due to the corona pandemic, going to be dispensed by none other than Dr. T.P. Shashikumar. So I think we are very lucky to have Dr. Shashikumar, the renowned management guru, today in this platform. Though my responsibility is to introduce this towering personality to you, I am a little bit afraid to do so, because I am at the loss of words. It is the words that makes wonders. So please excuse me if you feel that I am stammering. Dr. T.P. Shashikumar is a unique personality in his own way. For our convenience, we can call him an alchemist. Certainly not the alchemist of Paulo Coelho. It is easier to name the field where he has not mastered his presence than the fields he has conquered. Here I am very proudly announcing a few positions Dr. Shashikumar is holding. At present, Dr. Shashikumar is the Chairman and Managing Director, Shiksha International Institute for Advanced Academics, Soft Skill and Life Learning. Director, Half-Peak Education Center, Health, Attitude, Life and Family, Psychotherapy, Intervention and Counseling. Chairman, FITCO, Future India Development Council. Mentor, India Vision 2020. Advisor, Shabari Charitable Trust, Chennai and Palakkad. Vice Chairman, Global Nair Service Society, Delhi. As the time factor is crucial, I am afraid to go in details. Now I remember there had been a column in the prestigious publication Reader's Digest years ago named most unforgettable personality ever come across. I wish all of us that exciting experience as a result of this meeting. It is interesting to learn how he becomes unique. He is not only a polymath but also a personality who keeps materialism and spiritualism in harmony. Dr. Shashikumar is not an ordinary person. He is a Siddhan. As he acquired Siddhis like clairvoyance, clairaudience, etc., being a Tantrik. A parapsychologist who is an expert in psychotherapy. Demand for psychotherapists is spiraling up nowadays as the disease that we are suffering is more than 90% psychosomatic. In short, let me conclude reminding everyone of us that we are psychosomatic patients in a way or other. So be alert to be hypnotized by Dr. T.P. Shashikumar. Swami Vivekananda, during his lecture tour in America, happened to confront a lady who said in his face, "Swami, you are hypnotizing us." Immediately came his reply, "No, ma'am, I am dehypnotizing you." I hope this must be our experience during this interaction with Dr. T.P. Shashikumar. Thanking you, let me wind up here.
Thank you, Haridas. Thank you for the wonderful introduction. Before going to TPS speech, now I request Talaivar again because after the discussion with Izanam, he came back. Praveen, please unmute Talaivar.
Thank John. Thank John. I am grateful to Mr. John for several reasons, and one of the reasons is he is with me from day one Ligi was started. I am equally grateful to Mr. Srinivas Rao. If I am correct, a very rare top official in a division who attends all Zoom meetings of a chapter. And that shows his concern for the agents, marketing people, and also for taking care of the agents' welfare and interest. I know him as a marketing manager. I have enjoyed his help and assistance for so many agents. Thanks for your kind gesture in attending all our meetings, Srinivas Rao ji.
Thank you. Thank you.
And of course, the veteran Padmanabhan is doing an excellent job with his team. So I have to congratulate you. With regard to the speaker, he was with us and he addressed a Zoom meeting, not Zoom meeting, regular meeting, no longer. One day Zoom meeting came only for the past 4 days, 4 months. I still recollect the words he has spoken. And he has forwarded innumerous presentations which he has presented on several meetings. And to be honest with him, I am using most of them whenever I address agents community. I am really grateful to you, Mr. Shashikumar. I find only small change. Then your bird is black, today your bird is white. Naturally. But one thing I know, your voice would not have changed. And the contents of your speech should be much more better than what it was because of the experience you should have had by now. And as already John told you, on 15th there is going to be a mega Zoom meeting. I will request Padmanabhan to forward the invite to all when you receive it for our mega meeting on 15th. And 2 things. Several chapters are inaugurating CEP course. Several persons are joining FCHFP. If this chapter can start one CEP, I will see that those CEP students are presented to our top officials on the day 15th August. And also, those who become life members will also be presented and a special appreciation will also they receive. All depends only on motivation in this world. A wife takes care of the husband, that is a motivation. Husband takes care of the wife, that is also a motivation. So kindly use this great opportunity. I am grateful to Kottayam chapter for the nice opportunity given to me. Please do enjoy wonderful address from my good friend Shashi Kumar, and very shortly I intend inviting him once again to Lugi, not for Zoom meeting, as and when it is settled, a pakka regular meeting either in Chennai or in Coimbatore or in Tanjore. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Talaivar. Now I request our today's speaker, Dr. T.P. Sasikumar, the veteran in many fields. So the audience is yours. Dr. Sasikumar, sir, please.
Namaskaram to all of you.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram, John, for
Namaskaram. Oh.
putting me into various platforms. It used to be so informal sometime. I remember one day I was going to MG University. From railway station on the way I went to the insurance office because there was half an hour time. That half an hour he arranged a talk of mine in the office itself. So that is how John sir used to be with me. It is almost 10 years, Srinivas ji, we met. I think the last one was in Calcutta, 2010. Earlier, it used to be in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Cochin, all these places, MDRT, I met you. I remember one of the early day morning when we were having breakfast, you asked me a question. What is the tip you can give during breakfast? So I told you, you are having coconut chutney with the coconut oil, which brings lot of cholesterol. That is what the market says now, which is not really true. And I explained all the problems in the world. If coconut oil has problem, coconut consumption is creating cholesterol, definitely the solution is there just beside that. It's only you should have an eye to see the solution. The coconut shell itself becomes the solution. Chiratta vellam. Smash the coconut, put in water and boil it. And that will reduce cholesterol. So for every problem the nature gives, there is a solution God gives just associated to that. Probably today the topic is also that. When you have challenges, there is an opportunity very close to that. Whenever you have problem, solution is next to that. I am sure now 445 people are attending this. It's a great opportunity which came just because of a disaster. Otherwise, I am sure collecting this many people, putting them together, arranging a talk is a huge effort. But it's all in your fingertips today. Is it not a great challenge we have? Which we created ourselves into a great opportunity. എല്ലാ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുകളെയും വളരെ എളുപ്പത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റീസ് ആക്കിയിട്ട് മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റും. ഈ ടോപ്പിക്ക് തന്നെ ഞാൻ ചൂസ് ചെയ്തതല്ല, എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള വലിയൊരു ഡിസാസ്റ്റർ ആണ് പ്രോബബ്ലി. John has suggested this topic. Otherwise, Swami Padmanabhan was discussing with me on the wellness, happiness, well-being. That's a beautiful topic which I like, because day after tomorrow I have got another discussion webinar on yoga and Ayurveda. So I have every step prepared. But the last moment it came as a disaster for me. And I thought, yes, I should use that opportunity. Similarly, I know Talaivar was supposed to talk, but then he got a telephone call. John and Haridas used it as an opportunity, started reading my biodata, which was probably quite old, which was on my website. So most of the time, I'm sure, if you think you want to do, you can do wonderful things wherever you are. I don't know how many of you have seen, I keep looking at all the movies. I'm a fan of cinema. I see all the movies. One of the last year Oscar movie, നിങ്ങൾ ആരും കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ കാണേണ്ട മൂവിയാണ്. ഏതാന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റുമോ ആർക്കെങ്കിലും? I like a lot of interactive session. There are 456 people now, which is the last year one of the best movie which got a lot of Oscar award, which is called Parasite. The Parasite movie had a great story to tell. The poorest of the poor, probably, ഏറ്റവും പാവപ്പെട്ടവൻ, and he lives in the drainage pipe where it runs. If there is a small rain, his house is full of drainage water. And that's the first scene, what is seen in that movie. But then he gets an opportunity to work in a rich man's house. Not only he uses all that opportunity which he gets to create the situation where whole family members are in that rich man's house. So actually the poorest of the poor man is now living almost half of their life in the rich man's house. And the rich person becomes so dependent on the poor fellow. എല്ലാ റിച്ച് ആൾക്കാരും അങ്ങനെയാണ്. The more and more you become rich, you become more dependent on somebody else. സ്വന്തം വണ്ടി ഓടിക്കുന്നവൻ പാവപ്പെട്ടവൻ, അവനൊരു ഡ്രൈവറെ വെച്ച അവൻ പണക്കാരനായി. So when you keep a driver, actually you become dependent. Independency is becoming free. Actually, rich people should become free. But when you become more and more rich, your dependency becomes more and more. Therefore, you will have more problems. The movie is so beautiful. If you have not seen, you must watch that movie. Later at the end of the movie, we think that who is a parasite? ആരാണ് ഇത്തിൽ കണ്ണി? പാവപ്പെട്ടവനാണോ പണക്കാരനാണോ? നമ്മൾ ഒരാളെ ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് പാരസൈറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയാം. A creeper which lives by tapping all the energy from the tree, we call that creeper as the parasite. ഈ പാവപ്പെട്ടവൻ പണക്കാരന്റെ പാരസൈറ്റ് ആണോ? Though the other way, the rich man becomes a parasite on the poor. There are beautiful incidents in that. So everyone can get lot of things from this world. Like just now what I said, when you have a problem, if coconut വെളിച്ചെണ്ണയാണ് പ്രോബ്ലം എങ്കിൽ the copra, the coconut shell is the solution. You know how this is invented? Traditionally, people used more coconut oil than any other people in the world, probably Kerala. But those people did not have cholesterol. So the research goes on and then find out when we cook, the spoon itself is a coconut shell. ചിരട്ടക്കയിലാണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുക കുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാ കറിയിലും ചിരട്ടക്കയിലിട്ടിട്ട് ഇളക്കണ സമയത്ത് ആ ചിരട്ട വെള്ളത്തിൽ മിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് ചിരട്ട വെള്ളവും നമ്മൾ കഴിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. കഞ്ഞി വിളമ്പാൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന കൊപ്രയുടെ ചിരട്ട അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കറി ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ചിരട്ടക്കയിൽ കുറച്ച് കാലം കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഇല്ലാണ്ടാവും. എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അത് ഫുൾ നമ്മുടെ കറിയിലും വെള്ളത്തിലും ഒക്കെ മിക്സായി നമ്മൾ കുടിക്കേണ്ടെന്നർത്ഥം. എന്ത് രസകരമായ ഒരു അവസ്ഥയാണെന്ന് ആലോചിച്ച് നോക്കൂ. അപ്പൊ ഇത് കാണാനുള്ളൊരു കണ്ണ് നിങ്ങൾക്കുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ If you are able to see that, that is the difference between a normal person and a person who has a quest for knowledge, learning ability, knowledge, experience sharing, skill development, creating ability, competitiveness, training, growth path, determination, and pursuing for that. If you have that ability, I'm sure every opportunity is there around you. But only thing, you need your eyes open. And you should have such people around you who will show you the path. And I'm sure insurance have got that. Yesterday I was talking to a group of teachers, around 300 people, and highly learned principals of different schools. Every day I am into. Tomorrow I am having a session to Nepal, school teachers of Nepal. Tomorrow I have 3 webinars. So when I talk to all of them, I keep saying insurance agents are so wonderful. They have a lot of questions. When I speak to teachers, they don't ask questions. I keep saying you don't have question because if you don't learn also, nothing is going to change your life, because they do the same job 30 years. And I keep saying teaching the same thing, same student, same subject, same class, no difference. They never improved. They are still using blackboard and white chalk. I am sure the COVID is over, they will get back the first instance to that. Thank you to the new government that they will not allow them to go back, because they're changing the whole system now. And I am sure all the teachers are worried because they will not be able to study this further. The few days back, a B.Ed college wanted a webinar. They said, sir, record the talk and then send it. I said, no, I am not going to do that. Teachers must learn how to appear and how to attend webinar. If you are not getting equipped for that, you are unfit to be in this century. We are all taken birth in BC, unless you are the young generation who took birth after 1990s. We are all BC people before computers. We took birth in BC before computer. But then we became AD after digital. Immediately we transformed ourselves. And that's so simple. If you know how to operate a television, you can operate a computer. But I'm sure people don't want to learn that. That has become the situation. But there is a change happening. The change happened because there is a problem in front of us. You know, when the water runs, a log, a wood falls on that. ഒരു ഒഴുകുന്ന നദിയിൽ ഒരു മരം വീണാല് ആ ഒഴുക്ക് തടസ്സപ്പെടും. ആ ഒഴുക്ക് തടസ്സപ്പെടുന്ന സമയത്ത് എന്താ ചെയ്യാം? The water will try oozing out from the bottom, sides, but the wood is so big, it cannot flow along with that, it will stuck. പക്ഷെ ആ മരം ചെറിയ കഷ്ണായാൽ എന്ത് പറ്റും? അതിനെയും കൂടി അങ്ങോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുപോകും. So it will drive away its obstacles. പക്ഷെ വലിയൊരു തടസ്സമായ എന്ത് പറ്റും? ഇപ്പൊ ഈ കോവിഡ് എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്ന ചെറിയ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളല്ല, അതിനെ വലിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ നമുക്കൊന്നും ശക്തിയില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് we are stuck. So what you should be done? This is the right time to fill yourself. വെള്ളം ഒഴുകിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന നദിയിൽ വെള്ളം ഫില്ല് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? കുറച്ച് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഈ മരത്തെ കടത്തി വെച്ച് അതിൻ്റെ മുകളിലൂടെ ഒഴുകാൻ തുടങ്ങും. ഏത് നദിയും ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആവുന്നത് വാട്ടർഫോൾ ആവുമ്പോഴാണ്. അതിനെ കടത്തി വെട്ടി മുന്നോട്ട് ഒഴുകുന്ന സമയത്ത് ആ നദിയുടെ ഒരു സൗന്ദര്യം എന്ത് നല്ല സൗന്ദര്യമായിരിക്കും. So when you have problem, overflow the problems. Don't get stuck. Keep filling. എബിലിറ്റി ക്രിയേഷൻ്റെ സമയമാണിപ്പോൾ. നമ്മൾ ഫില്ല് ചെയ്യേണ്ട സമയമാണ്. അങ്ങനെ ഫില്ല് ചെയ്യാതെ മടി പിടിച്ചിരുന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ you will not be able to get into the new life, the new normal, the new beauty. അത് കടത്തി വെട്ട് മുന്നോട്ട് ഒഴുകണ സമയത്ത് എന്ത് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള the pearls പോലെയാണ്. It's so beautiful, no? ആ ഒരു ബ്യൂട്ടി നമുക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവും ജീവിതത്തിൽ. But if you don't fill yourself, then you are not going to overflow the problems and the beauty will be lost. So how to do that is the question. Understand the needs really. If you are into business, understand the customer. I don't know, one of the most important thing what probably in the introduction Many things were told, but I was working as a management professor and I was teaching the behavior of customers. MBA, I was teaching all the syllabus. Almost all the papers of MBA I taught. So always a business person must understand the customer. If you understand the customer, I am 100% sure it's done. Earlier when I used to go on MDRT, I used to show beautiful film clips where the Madhavan used to act. There is an LIC clip in that. If anybody send a WhatsApp to me, I can send you that. It's a beautiful clipping which shows on top of the one tower. He is interviewing, like an agent is asking a lot of questions to a colonel, retired colonel, and the agent says that your life is stuck because of this, that and all. And the colonel says, no, I am not stuck. So the agent is explaining all that what the colonel has. And he says, I am going to shoot you. And then you will fall out of this building and you will die. And that colonel says, nothing will happen because I have got an insurance policy. So that's a beautiful clipping. It's a movie clipping. I remember that was from an English clipping, Malayalam clipping. My children were used for dubbing that to English, and I used to show in most of the MDRT programs those days. So I'm sure if you know the customer 100%, he cannot lie. He cannot bluff. You can catch him. It's like putting a net around him and catching him within you. And understand what is the burning need. For every purpose, there is one crux of a problem. If you can catch that. Today I had a counseling program, 1.5 hours. A very senior professor from Calcutta was calling their family problems. This problem, research is not happening, kids are not doing. I only asked, is it your real problem which you did not tell me so far? She said, yeah, how did you catch? See, for every problem which comes as a symptom to you, there is a basic reason inside. The diagnosis, the pathologist is one who can identify the crux of the problem. If you know the crux of the problem, the rest of the things will happen. Cancer doesn't be appearing as a cancer. Before that, it comes as different symptoms. A real doctor can identify and tell you this is because of this part, there is a cancer. That's what we psychologists do. You tell your problems, we will tell you these are not problems. You are only showing that these are problems. The real problem is somewhere else. We will catch you. Immediately that is possible to catch. So that is where you should understand the burning need of every item. If you can catch that, the rest of the things are in your hand. Because you know the real reason. So if somebody is denying a business, you know what is that. Then catch that. And create a process, an integration of different platforms. It is not one methodology which will work. You don't know where what will work. Everything has to be understood. So the whole universal problem has to be understood. You may get a headache not because of eye problem. You can also have headache because of the oil which you are using is not suiting you. So keep on investigating. What is the real problem which is causing this? If there is something is not working, if there is something which is burning inside you, identify what is the reason for this. I'm sure you can catch. And that process if you identify, then build your workforce. Build your energy around it. You don't hit a big rock to break at one place continuously 100 times. If you are a very smart fellow, you will go around it and you know where to hit it, break it. Hitting at the same place, it will not break. What makes the difference? Hit at the right place, I am sure it will break. So everyone does this. That's a skill. If you know where to hit, to break it, that happens. And sometimes 100 hits will not break. But you lose patience and say, yeah, it's good enough. It is not going to work. I'm going back. I lost my patience. Maybe somebody else will come and hit once, it will break. Maybe one agent goes to somebody to get a business. You say it doesn't work and you don't appear to him. Maybe immediately somebody else goes and then immediately he will say, yeah, I want this policy. Because already the other fellow educated, you lost it. Why did you lose? Because you lost your perseverance. By birth, all of us had perseverance. ഒരു കുട്ടിയും കമന്ന് എഴഞ്ഞ് നടന്ന് പോകുന്ന കുട്ടികളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ നമ്മളൊരു പേന ഇട്ടിട്ട് കൊടുക്കും. Take this, take this. And I'm sure the child will come behind it. You pull the pen, the child will again follow it. I have never seen a child failing and saying, I don't want the pen. The child will go behind it until it gets the pen. It's only we, when we become very senior, after some time we will get tired and say that no, either we leave the pen or we will give something else. And the child, whatever it gets, if not this, something else also, the child is happy. We were all like such a child. We had lot of perseverance. But what is lost in us is, after some time we will say, these will not work. Why do you say it doesn't work? It works. But only thing you should know where to hit and how to hit and when to hit. I am sure it will happen. This is simple. It's very, very simple. Everyone has got a stock holding in this business. Make it happen. That is your ability. The pandemic like COVID, I have only few prescriptions. Don't say that there is a problem. When you keep saying no problem, there is no problem in the world. Maximum problem, what can happen? One day Krishna, Rama, Govinda, we will be off. Until then what you can do it now. Why do you wait for something to happen? And keep on thinking about something is going to come and nothing is going to come. If it comes, what you can do that time. Why do you worry now? So lead with actions. Don't lead with thoughts. Thoughts are useless most of the time. Action is more important. Hindi, there is a saying, people keep thinking and become tank. Tank means tired. They keep thinking and become tank. Keep on thinking from morning onwards. What are you doing thinking? The worst people in some part of this country, my guru keeps saying, Kerala is so worse because it's so narrow as the mind of the people are. Gujarat, people are so happy, maje mein che, always happy. Until the problem comes, they will not think about the tire getting punctured before start driving. They will drive. When it gets punctured, they will decide what to be done. Maje mein che, always happy. You go to Bangla, Balu Ache, very happy. They will never say, how is your life? Jargata ide. In Telugu, that is how they say. Nerangi podu na variya. Kannada, nadita ide. Nadannu podu. Tamil ippadiye pogaradu. Keralathilo ingane ponu. When somebody says ingane ponu, no, immediately I will ask, why can't you stop this? Ingane ponda avashyam nirthikuda ippani. Chattuda ninikakke. I don't understand why you make your young daughter marry and send it to somebody, and after 3 months she comes back, and then you are asking her how is life, she says ingane ponu. Do the parents feel happy? Why do they say life is going on like this? Because that is what you taught them. Somehow it has to go, that's it. You have no real interest in life, that's a problem. If you don't have that passion for life, why are you living in this world? Enjoy life. Life, L-I-F-E, life. Live in full enjoyment. L-I-F-E, life. That is Dr. TP's definition. All my books are on life. Everything you can download and read. You are depressed, you have any problem, open my book, Life Made Simple. The PDF file is available. And that day when you read, you will get a solution for your problem. That's guaranteed. Because that's only discussion between my children, my students and me. They ask me questions, the answer is given. It is not a book to be continuously read. You just open it and read. I am sure you will get solutions. Because most of the people who got solutions when they read. When I used to have sessions, I remember those days I used to sell hundreds of books. Now it's all free. Because those days I wanted money. Today I don't want money at all. I am happy with what I have. Those days my children were studying abroad. Now they earn more than 10 times more than what I am earning. So I don't require anything now. So I am happy. Life made simple. L-I-F-E, life. Live in full enjoyment. Learn in full enjoyment. Rhythm of Life. That's another book. Rhythm of Life. This is my another book. The poetry book. Just read. Everything becomes an opportunity. I remember July 4th. 3 years back when I was driving, I met with a great accident. I was driving, my brother, 2 children and younger one. 5 members. It would have been a last day. We were having a family meeting, 150 members waiting, and we were driving to reach that meeting. Somehow escaped. I died 4 times. This is my 5th life. All just like that I escaped. I told all my family members, don't tell this happened at all. We took an auto, reached there. Otherwise, I am sure the whole day the discussion will be only on this, not the enjoyment. Afternoon 3 o'clock, I put a Facebook post saying that we have an accident, and that became a beautiful poetry from me. And now I am able to give this as a story because something happened on that day. Otherwise, the story will not be there. If nothing happens in your life, you will have no stories in your life. Create moments in life. Every creating moments is what makes you enjoyment. I am filled with hundreds of experience. And that experience is with which I am talking. That's because every experience is notable. And write it down. I am sure you can make beautiful explanation. So when I drive even today, in that route, every time I have got lot of children, 400 children from different parts of the world for last 4 years, came to my small village in Kannur, Naduvil. I've got a 200-year-old house. Whenever I drive, I take these children, I will say, this is the place where I had an accident. I am able to show them and then lot of fun, tell them how it happened and why it happened and all that, just because I had a story there. So in life, you shared lot of moments. Who is the richest man in the world, you know? Who has got lot of such memorable moments in life? You are rich. Otherwise, you are a poor fellow. You don't have any memorable. What is that if you don't act? You keep on thinking. What is that memorable moments you will have in your life? Nothing. So action is important. Let it collapse. Let it fail. But don't think, act. The buddhi always will say think. No. The manas will say do it. First when the manas says do it. Let the consequences be trammeled up into consequences, the Sarsi success. Macbeth says, if there is a consequence, let me trammel up, let me put into somewhere and then see that what is to be done. That can be done later. One is lead with action. Second one, lead with a relationship. This is the right time to connect to everybody in the world. I am still in contact with my 10th class students. I have got a WhatsApp group. Before the Classmates movie, I created a group and then called all my BSc classmates in Payyanur College. And we had a great gathering. There is only place without filtering, you can still use every theory you know to your own classmates. You cannot tell this to your wife. Finished. But on Wi-Fi, you can talk to anybody today that. So forget about wife sometime. Use your Wi-Fi and start talking to people. Keep all your relationships. Enjoy that. When you talk to a 15-year-old student who was your classmate, you automatically get into that age. That's a great science. You become younger and younger when you deal with young people. Now I am running a virtual camp because this is Dubai holiday schools. I have got 70 children. Every day we create. Saturday, Sunday when I am busy, immediately I will give them assignment. They will make a video and send it. Just before this Zoom meet, I posted my last video. Every day there is a 1 hour video which I am posting. Probably I am not contributing. My children are doing it. I give them assignments. The last assignment was cook at home, clean your house, do gardening, and produce a video and send it to me. That becomes motivation for others also to do. Everybody will see. Other team members are supposed to see. So they will create video. From Kuwait, Ras Al Khaimah, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, everywhere people are there. And all the children, you must see how beautifully they are doing it. And some parents keep talking to me, telling that, no, my daughter made a beautiful dosha today. I never expected, I never knew. I was worried that the gas stove will burst. I think nothing will happen, yeah. You give them. They will make a better item than you. That's an opportunity. Allow them to learn. It is not showing. If you go through one video, you will know who is showing, who is doing, who is acting, and who is actually doing. So be a native person in your genuineness. Be simple. Be in the digital world. Another action item for all of you. If you are not in digital world, you think that meeting people is essential. Nothing can be done. The other day, my son's friend, who is from Alua, Tony Kurian. If you are on Facebook, go and search Tony Kurian. He's a wonderful boy from Alua. There is a very specific reason to mention his name, because he is not an ordinary boy. He is an extraordinary boy. Totally blind. And he became first in India for Tata Institute of Social Science and entrance examination for master's program after his bachelor's from Christ University, Bangalore. And I remember he came for Onam program to my house in Hyderabad from Bombay. During Onam, my son came and then he was with me. I asked Tony Kurian, why Tony you opted social science? Is it because you cannot do maths, because you cannot read and write and practice? You know what he said? Uncle, you give me the toughest problem, I will tell you all that without writing from my mind. Any problem you give, I will know how to solve it. You know, that's a challenge. He got married last week. His parents are in Kerala. In-law parents are somewhere else. You can see him taking blessings, keeping the laptop, parents' picture and doing pranams to that. Namaskar to that. A webinar marriage, parents are attending. Can you imagine? Yeah, you can say that postpone, we will wait, let the COVID be over. Why to wait? If marriage don't have to wait, why you should wait for your business to happen? Let the COVID be over, I will meet you and I will discuss with you. No, do it now. The 70 children who want to talk to me immediately, I will say, not tomorrow, now. There is no tomorrow. When somebody will tell you, sir, I will try to send you tomorrow. I said, no. There is no word try in my life. In the dictionary, there should not have been a word called try. ആരെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങളോട് ഞാൻ ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ അപ്പൊ ഉറപ്പിച്ചോ ആ കഴുതയെ കൊണ്ട് ഒരു ഉപകാരമില്ല. 100%. അവൻ ചെയ്യില്ല. ചെയ്യുന്നൊരു മനുഷ്യൻ ഒരിക്കലും ട്രൈ എന്ന് പറയില്ല. നിങ്ങളുടെ രണ്ട് കാലും വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ അപ്സ്റ്റെയറിൽ നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളോട് ചോദിക്കുകയാണ് മുകളിലേക്ക് വരൂ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറയോ വരുന്നു പറയോ? വരുന്നു പറയും. എന്താ കാരണം? നിങ്ങളുടെ രണ്ട് കാലും വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെയ്യാമെന്ന് ഉറപ്പുണ്ട്. ചെയ്യാമെന്ന് ഉറപ്പുള്ള കാര്യം ട്രൈ ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യമുണ്ടോ? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നെ നിങ്ങളെ വിശ്വാസമില്ല. യു ഡോണ്ട് ഹാവ് ഫെയ്ത്ത് ഇൻ യുവർ സെൽഫ്. That's a time when you will say try. Assume that somebody says I will try to come for a marriage, 100% attendance he will not come. If he is coming, he will say I will come. Probably that day there is something happening, he may not come. That doesn't matter. But why do you want to say that you will try? So every one of you write try and then cancel it. No try in your life. Only do it. Discover yourself. Improve yourself. We have been hearing in our life one word called, every teacher, every parent keeps scolding us, useless fellow, useless fellow, useless fellow, useless fellow. Every one of you have a pen and paper. I keep always a pen and paper. Because somebody asks a question, some new thoughts come, I am recording it. Audio recording is happening here. And I have got a video recording happening here. tomorrow this program will be on my YouTube. I am equipped, thoroughly equipped, because this is my everyday business. If somebody told me useless, I keep saying, all of you write I am. Jyoti is not writing. Jyoti is looking here. Only few people are facing here. That's why I'm asking. I am use less.
Useless.
If you split use and less, that becomes useless. You use yourself very less. That is what happens. You know, the whole world psychology says 80% of your abilities are not used most of the time. That is the biggest failure. But that should not happen from today. Most of the people who met me, many students, many teachers, today somebody was talking to me who was supposed to do a PhD, and they said that next March I will finish. I said, today I am telling you, tomorrow is August 1st, August 31st, your PhD thesis should come to me. I am giving you 31 days, not 3 months. Because you are only using 20%, that's your estimate. Change that. 80% work, 20% useless you become. Until yesterday you were useless, then it should be useless. So change that. I am useless. After use, you put an arrow mark up and then put ed there. Now you read, it will become I am useless, not useless. If you decide today onwards I am going to use me, I am useless will become I am useless. Who did not use you? You did not use you well. ഇന്നു മുതൽ തീരുമാനിക്കാൻ ഞാൻ എന്നെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ്. ഞാൻ എന്നെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ് എന്ന് തീരുമാനിക്കുക. That's it. I've got children who say, sir, I don't know how to read Hindi. I said, I will give you 7 days. After 7 days, I will ask you to read like a Hindi news reporter. On webinar, you will have to read. That's it. 7 days, sleep or no sleep, eat or not eat, I don't care. Take it as a challenge, yeah. What will not happen? 7th class, I started reading and writing Tamil. It was not required, but I know few people were around. Those people know only Tamil. Instead of improving them to learn Malayalam, I thought the best method is to teach my language to them. Is not that easier. I can learn their language. I have to prove that. Then I will show them. You have to learn this. If I don't do, how can I tell them? So be a role model. I'm sure you're all into insurance company. You must be well aware. Last year, this time, I am so lucky that I was in America. I was teaching Bhagavad Gita in a church. We had a beautiful church, and then I had a session. I finished teaching Bhagavad Gita 18 chapters in America. 1 hour, 1 hour. All of them are there, sloka by sloka, chapter by chapter on YouTube. I had a wonderful experience. America, you know which is the best insurance country in the world? Maximum number of insurance agents in the world, the best business in the world, everything is insured. You buy a pen there, immediately at the counter the fellow will ask you, do you require an insurance? If the pen cost $10, he will add you $2 more. That's it. $12 you buy the pen. Within a year, if somewhere something is not working, you can get back. They will give you another pen. That shop will get the money from the insurance company. Probably only one place in the world where everything is insured. I think we have to change. There has to be a demand. Ask everything to change in this world. I remember a small scratch on the car. Immediately the insurance fellow will come take the car from the house by delivering another car in your house for the use until it gets repaired. Don't you think we have to change our system of working? It is not government, insurance agents does it. Not only paying the money not only repairing, not only paying half of that amount in the repairing shop, all that is the company's responsibility. I don't want to get that headache. For last 3-4 months, I am not using my car. I don't want to use that car. Probably when I want to drive, something is not working. I don't want to go. I don't want to go to buy a battery. I have to get it only by a call. And if there is a problem for my battery, the insurance fellow. You see, all the problems can be solved only one person in the world, where the relationship between the financier, products buyer and the customer. You must change your name. You must be a consulting person, a consulting business. There are a lot of opportunities, I will tell you. Learn what is happening in the other country. Then you will understand where is the scope for improvement. I am sure you will see hundreds of opportunities. Hundreds of opportunities. That is what is happening. The most developed nations, USA is the best in the insurance company. Then Japan, China, UK, France, Germany. You know, India doesn't come in the sequence at all. With large population, large consumer market society in the world, why this is not happening? Because one, we don't produce beautiful products there. Company itself is not showing their identity sometime. The bill doesn't come. The retail marketing is not streamlined. I remember a few years back, I was writing papers on retail marketing. Most of our retail marketing goes out of tax, not inside the tax. If all the retail marketing which is happening in the country becomes a tax payment process, India will be the richest. I am sure that can be brought in by only one agency, that's insurance agency, because a guaranteed return. We have only very less, I think around 60 insurance companies in India. Life insurance maybe around 30, 24, 25, 26, something like that, I think.
24.
Yeah, that's not good enough. There has to be a lot of players coming. And non-life insurance, it's only 30, 40. You compare with other country. I am not giving statistics because that's not my aim of this lecture. I keep learning because I remember started learning with this insurance from MDRT time. So if you are into business, this is the right time to learn what is happening in abroad. I am sure if you start getting cue from that, you will become an entrepreneur. You will start different programs in your agency along with insurance agency. There are a lot of drivers idle. There are a lot of car idle. Because no other business, tourism is lost. Use all of them and serve the rich fellows. You will be able to make a lot of money around it. You know, the other day when I was staying in US, I was staying in a colony. There most of the house is built by only wood, because the temperature control is possible only with wood. Every house is with wood, but done very well. It looks like a marvelous house with beautiful wall, but if you are not gone to America, see, a house building happens in 1 month. Every wood piece comes from different places. You can build your own houses. I can build my own house if I am there. I was there to build a big temple and I plan to make it in 3 months time. Everything is possible there. But the problem is, if there is a fire finished, everything goes. And they still don't worry because everything is insured. They have no problem. If you are on rent and everything is burned, you have a rent insurance. Rental insurance is one. Without rent, if you go to a house and stay there and if something is lost, finished, because rental insurance is there. I remember some of the students don't want to pay insurance. Then what happened? They lost everything. So once is lost, finished. So for every item, you look at every small product which is sold, every item which is built, every activity which you do. I am sure if I am a good writer or I am a good artist, say, I think the insurance should go for even insuring his finger. Because an artist's finger must be much more costlier than others. So you ask him, any part of the body is lost, you don't have to pay that much. But this finger is lost, you have to see, go by spare part. Yeah, specialization goes like that. I sometimes think wild. You cannot stop me. The other day, after the education policy is coming, I was discussing with one of my American student who is a student in MIT. So I said, tomorrow I have got an insurance company. Some wild thoughts you can say. Then immediately she said, ask insurance company to insure the education programs. Assume that I pay some fees and I fail. Let insurance company pay back. See, it's a wild thought. I am sure days are not far. Because you join in a university or a medical college paying large amount, you can see the university or medical college is not approved. They lose. And we have so much flexibility in the new education policy which has just come. I'm sure. Why not? You can do many things in this world. Only thing, don't stop thinking. Put on your thinking cap. Start wild thoughts. Write it down. Share with somebody who is very close to you. Okay, let me ask you one good exercise for you. Without fun, generally I don't go. Tell me, think about 3 people who are very close to you. Write down their names. Write down 3 closest people. Write down their names. Not necessarily friends, relatives, anybody. Okay, tell me, what are the problems which they have? All the 3 of them. Write down, this is the major problem. Only one problem. Don't put series of problems. Only one problem. What is the major problem they have? Done? Yeah, you could also WhatsApp to me or put on to chat, or maybe you can raise your hand and then at least 1 or 2 people can share. Is there anybody? You can WhatsApp. Let me see who is the smartest person. All the 3 people have yeah. Anybody?
You can raise your hand. Mr. Pangajakshi.
Yeah.
Pangajakshi, raise your hand. Unmute. Praveen, Pangajakshi, unmute.
Pankajakshi is there. Pankajakshi has 3 friends. And what are the major problems? Hope they will not come and kick you. Who told you that I have this problem? No? Is there anybody? You could also send a WhatsApp. That's good enough. We have to be in digital world. My number is already there. 944743798.
Sojan.
Sarathi.
I am not seeing any messages. Probably.
It's one Pangajakshi.
Okay, tell me, is there anybody who...
Pangajakshi, not unmute.
Yeah, you want to share or... yeah.
She is telling.
Yeah.
Pangajakshi.
Unmute.
Pangajakshi, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ സാർ കേട്ടില്ല.
Yeah.
Sir, 3 പേഴ്സന്റെ പേര് എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Yeah, you don't have to tell their name. Let it be a secret. But tell me, all the 3 of them have problems?
സർ ജയ് ഗുരുദേവ് സാറിനെ ഞാൻ പരിചയമുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ ആദ്യം എനിക്കറിയാം. പിന്നെ ജയ് ഗുരുദേവ് സർ. സർ ഒരു കക്ഷിക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് ദേഷ്യം വരുന്നുണ്ട്.
Okay, second person?
സെക്കൻഡ് പേഴ്സണ് ഒരു അലസത, ഒരു കുറങ്ങണ ഒരു സ്വഭാവം.
Third person?
നെഗറ്റീവ്സ് കൂടുതൽ പറയുന്നു സർ.
Okay, wonderful. See, you have 3 people who are close to you. All the 3 of them have problems. How can you be in this world without a problem? This is the problem. The problem is you have only people around you who all have problems. See, you don't see anybody around you who doesn't have problems. Then you should change your company. You should have good people around you. that guarantees you will have no problem in your life. You understood what I'm saying? നമ്മുടെ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമുക്ക് ചുറ്റുമുള്ളവരൊക്കെ പ്രോബ്ലം ഉള്ളവരാണ്. അതാണ് നമ്മൾ കേട്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ. സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ഈസ് വാട്ട് കോൺട്രിബ്യൂട്ട്സ് 40% in life. Hereditary is 50%. 10% is your attitude. Hereditary മോശമാണ്, സിറ്റുവേഷൻ മോശമാണ്, ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ്, how much you can survive in this world. That's why 90% is problem. Even if you are the most active person, if you cannot identify, that is why it is called satsang. Satsang, നല്ല കമ്പനി വേണം. And if you are not in good company, all those people you are with Shakuni. When you are with Shakuni, you can be only Duryodhana. How can you be a successful Pandava if you don't have Krishna who is always smiling beside you? That's a problem. So that is why everyone around you have communication, but you are communicating with the wrong people. You are not finding solutions for the problems. You are only seeing problem. You are not doing teamwork for solving problems. The teamwork only shares problems. Change your view. Don't get adapted to situation. Change it. Don't manage your stress. Resolve it. Resolving is most important. Don't manage your time. Manage your activity. The other day I have you just put activity Dr. TPS. Time management Dr. TPS. You will get a small video, 10 minutes video. I am showing with experiments. Be creative thinker. അങ്ങനെ ക്രിയേറ്റീവായിട്ട് ആലോചിക്കുന്നവർക്ക് you will always have such company, creative company. Let you have only 3 people or 4 people in your life who are all creative. They don't have time to think about problem. They have only time to think about solutions. Be with the people. ഈ പറഞ്ഞ 3 ആളും IT-ൽ സ്മാർട്ട് അല്ല. IT-ൽ സ്മാർട്ട് ആണെങ്കിൽ അവർക്ക് സമയമില്ല ഇതിനൊന്നും. ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ടെക്നോളജി, അവര് ഭ്രാന്താശുപത്രിയിൽ പോകുന്നില്ല എന്നുള്ളതാണ് കുഴപ്പം. ഈ പ്രോബ്ലം ഉള്ളവർക്കൊക്കെ പോകാനുള്ള ഒരു ഭ്രാന്താശുപത്രി ഉണ്ട് ലോകത്ത് തുറന്നു വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. 1 വാട്സപ്പ്, 2 ഫേസ്ബുക്ക്. അവിടെ ഭ്രാന്തന്മാരെ മാത്രം കാണും, ഡോക്ടേഴ്സിനെ കാണൂല്ല. ഈ ഫോർവേഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കുറെ മെസ്സേജുകൾ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, സ്റ്റുപ്പിഡ് സ്വാമിമാരുടെ പ്രസംഗം, ജീവിതം കാണാത്ത സ്വാമിമാര്, അന്ധന്മാരായ സ്വാമിമാര്, ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ ബ്ലാ 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 പറയും. ഇത് എവിടുന്നാണ് ഇതിന്റെ റൂട്ട് എടുത്തതെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതറിയില്ല. ആരാ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഗുരു എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ പോലും പറയില്ല. ജന്മം നന്നായാലല്ലേ പറയാൻ പറ്റൂ, അത് പറയില്ല. കാരണം ഗുരുക്കന്മാരെ പറ്റിച്ചിട്ട് വളർന്നിട്ടുള്ളവരാണ് പലരും. സോ ഗെറ്റ് ഇൻ ടു ദാറ്റ്, get into Facebook, get into WhatsApp, get into YouTube, no problem. But see the root. Source അറിഞ്ഞ് കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറയുന്നവരടുത്ത് കാണാം. IT skill has to be the perfect. I am sure. Situation is unimportant. കോവിഡ് ഉണ്ടോ ഇല്ലയോ എന്നുള്ള സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ഒന്നും ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് അല്ല. ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ് can develop skill. Performance P is equal to opportunity O plus attitude plus skill. Dr. TPS ന്റെ ഫോർമുലയാണ് P is equal to O plus A plus S. ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ ഉണ്ട്, സ്കിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയെടുക്കാൻ പറ്റും. വാട്ട് ഈസ് മിസ്സിംഗ് ഈസ് ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ്. നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ കാണേണ്ട ഒരു ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ മൂവി ഉണ്ട്. ഒരു അമേരിക്കൻ പയ്യനെ ഇന്ത്യയിലേക്ക് പറഞ്ഞു വിടുകയാണ്. കോൾ സെന്ററിന്റെ വർക്കിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്, കോൾ സെന്ററിന്റെ ട്രെയിനിങ് സെന്റർ എസ്റ്റാബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞു വിടുകയാണ്. So once he comes to India, he sees that he is not able to adjust. A beautiful movie. I am not telling the movie name. Let me see how good you are in IT. I will tell you the director name. John Jeffcoat. He is a salesman, Hamilton, landing up from America with a novelty product. George Wing and George Jeffcoat both were the writers for this. George Hamilton is the one who acted in that movie. It's a beautiful movie. You will love it. Any bad situation, if your attitude is good, you can change every bad. See, your greatness is when you can change bad people into good people. നിങ്ങളുടെ 3 ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റില്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എന്തിനാ ഇങ്ങനെ ജീവിക്കണം? They have some attitude, you have already done the diagnosis. Why are you not treating them? Treat them and tell them, I identified your problem, and ask them, you identify my problem and I will change. അതല്ലേ വേണ്ടത്? If I can change my problems and then become good, I am the best and people around me are the best. Don't keep problem and you know the problem but you don't want to tell them. That is what our problem is. We don't tell the problems to others. Unless you tell the problem, how can the doctor after diagnosis treat you? 60% of the people have these problems. So you are not an odd person out. But I am sure അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇന്ത്യ ഹാപ്പി അല്ലാത്തത്. ഹാപ്പിനെസ് ഇൻഡെക്സിൽ ഇന്ത്യ ഈസ് വേഴ്സ് ദാൻ പാകിസ്ഥാൻ. Happiness index in India is worse than China, UK, Germany, all the developed countries, they are all much better. എത്രാമത്തെ സ്ഥാനം നോക്കൂ ഇന്ത്യ. Too bad, it's shame. And we say that we are selling happiness to people. Yoga, well-being. Well-being international indexile India is far below most of the other neighboring countries. You know why? We want to be goody. എല്ലാവരുടെ അടുത്തും നന്നായിട്ട് പെരുമാറണം. എന്നിട്ട് തിരിഞ്ഞു നിന്ന് പരദൂഷണം, കുനിഷ്ട്, കുബുദ്ധി, എല്ലാ നല്ല സ്വഭാവം. Don't worry, tell at face what you want to tell. I'm sure if you can do that, you are going to be utilizing the best situation in your life. There is no bad time in this world. There is no bad people in this world. It's only bad situation. Write it down. What is bad? Only bad situation. No bad people, no good people. നമ്മൾ ചില സന്ദർഭങ്ങളിൽ അബദ്ധം ചെയ്തു പോകും. അതാ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ആണ്. എത്ര നല്ല മനുഷ്യനും അനാവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള സ്ഥലത്ത് പെട്ടുപോയാൽ അനാവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ അനാവശ്യമായി ചെയ്തു പോകും. അതൊരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ആണ്, അതൊരു പ്രോബ്ലം അല്ല. അതിന് സൊല്യൂഷൻ എന്ത് കണ്ടുപിടുത്തണം? Catch that as an opportunity. That situation becomes an opportunity. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഭാര്യ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഭർത്താവിനെ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ടിന്റെ ഭാര്യയുടെയോ ഭർത്താവിന്റെയോ കൂടെ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കാം. ഇമാജിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ലല്ലോ. ചിലരൊക്കെ ഇമാജിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും ഓൾറെഡി അങ്ങനെ വേണമെന്നൊക്കെ. അതൊരു പ്രോബ്ലം ആണോ? അതൊരു പ്രോബ്ലം ആണോ? അതൊരു പ്രോബ്ലം അല്ല, അതൊരു സിറ്റുവേഷനാ. അങ്ങനെ വല്ല സിറ്റുവേഷനിലും പെട്ട എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഉടനെ സൊല്യൂഷൻ കണ്ടെത്തണം. എന്ത് സൊല്യൂഷൻ? ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുക ഭാര്യയെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഭർത്താവിനെ. പിന്നെ കൂട്ടി നടക്കുന്നതിൽ എന്താ അർത്ഥം? അത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ കിട്ടിയ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ആണത്. പല പ്രോബ്ലംസും നമ്മൾ അറിയാതെ പോവാണ്. ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ വരുമ്പോൾ പ്രോബ്ലം പുറത്തു വരും. ആ പ്രോബ്ലം പുറത്തു വരുമ്പോ ഡോണ്ട് ഷട്ട് യുവർ ഐസ്, ക്ലോസ് ഇറ്റ് ദർ, ക്ലോസ് ദ ഫയൽ. Earlier I used to tell, John must be remembering, if you cannot change your wife, keep on telling you must change, you must change, you must change. അതാണ് ഹസ്ബൻഡും വൈഫ് എപ്പോഴും പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരുന്ന അടികൂടുന്ന ഒറ്റ കാര്യമുള്ളൂ. യു മസ്റ്റ് ചേഞ്ച്, യു മസ്റ്റ് ചേഞ്ച്, ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യരുത്, അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യരുത്, ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യരുത്, അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യരുത്. കാരണം ഇതേപോലെ ഒന്നും ചെയ്താൽ നിങ്ങൾ എൻ്റെ ഭർത്താവല്ല. ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യണം, ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യണം. And I keep saying for the last 20 years, if you are not able to change your wife, then what you should do? Change your wife. That's it. That's the only solution you have. So every problem in the world is only a situation. There is no problem. So keep saying no problem, because no problem in this world is bigger than you yourself. I am in a problem എന്നാണ് പറയാ സാധാരണ. The problem is big and I am small. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് പ്രോബ്ലത്തിനുള്ളിൽ പോയിട്ട് ഐ ആം ഇൻ എ പ്രോബ്ലം എന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം നമ്മളെക്കാളും വലുതല്ല. അപ്പൊ ഹൗ ക്യാൻ ഐ ബി ഇൻ എ പ്രോബ്ലം? That English is wrong. The problem is outside me. No. The problem is inside me. When you have problem inside, drink a lot of water, go to washroom, flush it out and say no problem. It should be as simple as that. Throw it. Don't keep the problem with you. എല്ലാവരും പോസിബിലിറ്റി തിങ്കേഴ്സ് ആവണം. കീപ് ഓൺ തിങ്കിങ് വാട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ്, വാട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ്, വാട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ്, വാട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ്. അപ്പൊ പ്രോബ്ലത്തെ കുറിച്ച് ആലോചിക്കാൻ സമയമില്ല, സൊല്യൂഷൻസിനെ കുറിച്ച് മാത്രമേ ആലോചിക്കുള്ളൂ. യുവർ മൈൻഡ് ഷുഡ് ബി ഫിൽഡ് വിത്ത് 90% ഗുഡ് തോട്ട്സ് ആൻഡ് 10% ഓൾഡ് തോട്ട്സ്. ഐ എം ഷുവർ യു ക്യാൻ ചേഞ്ച്. ഐ ക്യാൻ ഗോ ഓൺ ആൻഡ് ഓൺ ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്, ബട്ട് ഐ തിങ്ക് ഐ എം ഗുഡ് ഇനഫ് ഫോർ ടുഡേ. Knowing is not important, using is more important. Right? പലരും പറയാറുണ്ട് നരസിംഹറാവുവിന് കുറേ ലാംഗ്വേജസ് അറിയാമെന്ന്. നമ്മുടെ പഴയ പ്രൈം മിനിസ്റ്റർ 17 ലാംഗ്വേജിൽ ബെസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് സംസാരിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നു. പക്ഷെ അയാളെ കുറിച്ച് എപ്പോഴും ഒരു കംപ്ലൈന്റ് എന്താ അറിയോ? അയാൾ ഒന്നും പറയാറില്ല എന്ന്. എന്ത് ഫയൽ കിട്ടിയാലും ഒന്നും എഴുതൂല്ല, പറയൂല. പക്ഷെ 17 ലാംഗ്വേജ് പറയാം. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ പർപ്പസ്? See, we know solutions, but we don't know how to use it. No, I think all of you should get into action. Just click here and there. I am sure things will start working. And if you want to have something which you never have and which you never did, I think you should be an explorer. ആ എക്സ്പ്ലോറിംഗ് എബിലിറ്റി ആണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഏറ്റവും നല്ല എബിലിറ്റി. So keep exploring. You will find solutions. So God bless you. Enjoy learning. Enjoy equipping yourself. Make your kit fully equipped with all the tools what you have. Technically, interpersonal relationship, psychologically be fit. I'm sure you can change this world. So thank you for this opportunity. There were more than 470 people at some point of time. Now we have 454.
Thank you, sir.